Solar asset owners are confronted with numerous challenges. They need to manage multiple projects simultaneously, often within stringent budgets and timelines. Additionally, they grapple with the task of securing a suitable operations and maintenance partner, which is crucial for maintaining cost effectiveness while ensuring safety, scalability, and high availability. That's why forward-thinking companies have turned to Cleanleaf Energy. Cleanleaf has developed a reputation for trust, transparency, accountability, and unparalleled expertise, and their technology platform guarantees a safe and fast response and resolution. Every day, over 1,000 solar installations maintained by Cleanleaf start generating power at 1.8 gigawatts at their peak. Cleanleaf's NERC-compliant remote operations center monitors their performance 7/24/365. Cleanleaf uses its purpose-built computerized maintenance management system known as Grid to proactively monitor their customers' solar assets using its comprehensive suite of components. Let's look at this example. Grid Monitor picks up a high-priority alert at a site in Maine. Grid then automatically creates a new case. After initial review by the engineering team, Grid notifies the site owner via email with the new case information. Then Grid Scheduler assesses this case and identifies available field service engineers, their expertise, and available parts, then determines the best schedule and plan to resolve the case. At the start of their day, the assigned Cleanleaf FSE checks the Grid Capture app on their iPhone. They can see the cases they have been assigned and know exactly what they need to do for the day. The main project site is at the top of the list. When the licensed FSC arrives at the site, they have the training, tools, parts, and experience to fix the problem. As they work, the FSC uses Grid Capture to log their completed steps with photos and notes, which updates the case in real time. They also do safety check-ins and work with the engineering support team when necessary. When completed, they close the case and refer to Grid Capture for the next assignment. The Grid platform compiles all the data provided and creates a case-closed detailed report that's emailed to the site owner. This report can also be accessed through the Grid Insight customer service portal. This case data, along with other data captured from the customer site, is used to automatically create a comprehensive analytic monthly report called Grid Intel, essential for tracking, traceability, and accountability of your project sites. This kind of thoroughness and efficiency from an O&M provider is rare. It's what makes Cleanleaf a vendor you can trust, with service-level agreements you can rely on. To learn more about Cleanleaf and what we offer, please visit our website.